I'm going to do this demo using LP360 standalone, although it might be a good idea at a later time on your own to go through it again referencing LP360 and ArcGIS because the toolbars are slightly different. I have the LP360 tutorial dataset for Davidson County loaded, and I've zoomed into a small area in the city of Nashville. The next thing I need to do is display the LP360 Viewer Integration Toolbar. So I'm going to go to the menu, turn that on, and I have it undocked here so it's a little bit easier to see. To display the profile window, simply click the toggle and it will come up initially docked to the main display. You can also undock it by simply grabbing it and moving it. And you can redock it by double-clicking. I'm going to leave it docked, but I'll make the window a bit bigger. Okay, and I can adjust the size of the profile window in the main display. To draw a profile, I'll select the tool, and then I simply left-click again. That's set the profile line. And then I select the width of the profile by simply just dragging my mouse. I can zoom in the profile window using the left mouse button, just holding it down, and I can pan holding down the right mouse button. And again, the outline of the profile moves accordingly in the main display. The graticules can be turned on and off. And note that as you zoom and pan, the legend values change accordingly. Notice that as I dragged this, it automatically recenters. I can also turn that function, control that function, by clicking the recenter Z-Extent tool. You should be able to explore the properties in the profile window on your own. Just bring those up by clicking on the appropriate button in the toolbar, and notice this should look pretty familiar to what you've seen previously. You can use the store filters to select what's displayed in the profile window. For example, I can look only at ground points. Go back to all points. And the live view works also the same as it did before. Notice that when you bring it up from the profile window toolbar that you by default are applying the settings in live view to that window. You can access the stored filters from here, and there are a number of other ways that you can control the view. You can control the point size, the colors of the points, and so on.